Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic in calculus, separable differential equations. We'll learn a powerful technique called separation of variables to solve equations of the form dy dx equals f of x times g of y. So, what exactly is a differential equation? It is simply an equation that involves a function and its derivatives. It creates a relationship between a function and its rate of change. Our goal is to use this relationship to find the original function itself. An equation is called separable when we can perform some algebra to get everything involving the variable y on one side and everything involving the variable x on the other side. We go from mixed variables to separated variables. Solving these equations involves a clear four-step process. First, we separate the variables. Second, we integrate both sides of the equation. Third, we solve for y to find what is called the general solution. And finally, if we are given an initial condition, we use it to find a specific solution. Let's work through an example. Consider the equation dy dx equals 2x times y squared. To separate the variables, we can divide both sides by y squared and multiply both sides by dx. This leaves us with 1 divided by y squared dy on the left and 2x dx on the right. The variables are now separated. Now we integrate both sides. The integral of y to the power of -2 is negative y to the power of -1. The integral of 2x is x squared. We must remember to add a single constant of integration, which we will call c, to one side. With the integration complete, we now solve for why our equation is -1 over y equals x squared plus c multiplying by -1 gives 1 over y equals negative x squared minus c finally. Taking the reciprocal of both sides gives us our general solution. Y equals 1 over the quantity negative x squared minus c. Imagine we have an initial condition. Y of 1 equals 1/3. This means we can find the exact value of c. We substitute x equals 1 and y equals 1/3 into our general solution. This gives us the equation 1/3 equals 1 over -1 minus c. Solving this tells us that c must be equal to -4. Plugging this back in gives our specific solution. Y equals 1 over the quantity negative x squared plus 4. To summarize, a differential equation is separable if you can split the variables. The process is to separate, integrate, and then solve for y. Always add the constant of integration, c, right after you integrate. This c is what makes the solution general. Using an initial condition allows you to find a specific value for c, giving a specific solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.